We'll guide you through how to make reverse edit on CapCut. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To create a reverse edit using CapCut Desktop, start by launching the software on your computer to begin the editing session. Once the interface loads, navigate to the top left corner and click the Sign In button. For a fast and efficient login, choose the Sign In with Google option. You will then need to select the specific Google account you wish to use for all your projects. On the following access permission screen, click Continue to authorize the connection and proceed. When a browser pop-up appears, select the option to open CapCut to return to the desktop application. Confirm you're properly logged in to access cloud space and all advanced features. Next, click the Create Project button to open the primary editing workspace folder. Select the Import button to begin adding your raw video material assets now. Navigate carefully through your local folders to locate the specific media file you need for this. Once found, select the video file you intend to edit and click the Open button to successfully load assets into your project media library. Now, click and drag your media directly onto the main editing timeline at the bottom edge. To make the video reverse, right-click on the specific video clip segment. Click on the Edit option within the context menu that appears now. Choose the Reverse tool to begin the video processing sequence for your clip. Wait for the video to reverse as CapCut recalculates every frame for backward playback. Review your timeline to ensure the reverse timing is perfectly accurate. Click the Export button located in the top right corner of the screen. Set the resolution to 1080p within the settings for high-definition visual quality. Adjust the bitrate to a higher setting to maintain maximum image clarity. Choose H.264 as your codec for maximum device compatibility in online platforms. Select MP4 as your output format for the best file balance and quality. Set the frame rate to 60 frames per second to achieve smooth and high-performance playback. Click the Export button at the bottom to begin the final render now. Wait patiently for the progress bar to finish as your video is fully processed today. Your reversed video is now ready, and you can share it directly now